Well, caregivers right now say they are being turned away at vaccination sites even though they are eligible to get those shots. Kick Line Sara Donchey spoke with a father who is trying to keep his daughter from getting infected.
The vaccine is life and death.
Joel Trudgeon and his family aren't mincing words. COVID-19 could be deadly for his daughter, who is medically fragile.
Yeah, I think if anyone in our household contracted COVID, it could end in tragedy for our family.
Jo, as her family calls her, is a 23-year-old woman with a heart as big as her smile. But Jo's journey hasn't been easy for her or her family.
She has congenital degenerative neuromuscular disease. She sleeps with a BiPAP machine. She has lung issues, cognitive issues.
That's why when Joel heard he and his wife qualified to get vaccinated as healthcare workers, they jumped at the chance, hoping to end the constant fear they could infect their daughter. They got their paperwork in order and made a vaccine appointment for Thursday at Dodger Stadium.
We did have a letter that the regional center had provided with specific names on it stating that under the California Health Code, we were considered healthcare providers to our daughter because of her extreme situation.
But when they got there, Joel's wife was turned down.
We could see the needles and then have someone say, unfortunately, we can't. It was disappointing is an understatement. It was an emotional gut punch.
We reported on another family last night with a similar story. LA County Public Health said then hundreds of people a day are trying to cheat their way into the line, claiming they have disabled children and that they had to crack down. But Joel says he has all the required documents, including his daughter's case file. She's received state assistance for 18 years. Today, LA County says it admits some vaccination workers need more training.
So if there are individual incidents where that has not happened, we want to know that so that we can be sure that all of our frontline staff are aware of that.
In that very same briefing with LA County, they reiterated that qualifying families should bring that personalized form from a regional center. But you'll recall that is exactly what Joel says they had when his wife was turned away. They really want the county to know that these misunderstandings are still happening so the proper training can be given to volunteers quickly. Sara Donchey, KCAL 9 News.